Hi, I ran into a bit of a gotcha when I was working with the scene tileset tiles that I figured I'd want to make a quick video about. What was happening was I got the player scene was the last one that I moved over to be a scene tile. So if I go into the tile map, all of the objects in the map are now scene tiles, including the player. The issue was when I just did that how I had it set up before, hit run, and start the game, it basically crashes. What's happening is the player is set to null. The reason that turns out that that's happening is because the ready function is getting called before all of the scenes in the tile map have been added as children. So when I try to look up the player in the tile map, it's not there yet. The way I found to get around that is to move all of the code that needs any of the children that are being created out of ready and move it into a separate function. I'm just calling it after ready for simplicity's sake. And then you need to call that, but you can't just call it in ready because that would be essentially the same thing. So what you can do is to after ready.call, notice without the parentheses, .call deferred. So you're basically accessing the callable after ready, and then you do call deferred on it, which that just runs the function in the next frame. That way ready runs on everything's set up, and then as soon as that's done, as it's going to the next frame, it does this function where it sets the player, sets the camera limits, which requires the player, and then it does a signal connection. And then now that I've got that set up, game runs just the way it did before. Yeah, I just ran into that issue and I figured this would be enough of a gotcha to be worthy of another video, even if it's a very short one. Thank you for watching.